Oh, I am here waiting. Kalesta Onoha. Good evening, my sister Amechipo. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I did not inform everyone that the time had to be changed to 6 p.m. Nigeria time. Hey, Amechi, my brother, no verse from you. Man, I know verse, my beautiful student. I'm sorry. I didn't announce that the time will change to 6 p.m. Nigerian time because when I came back from work, it will be very difficult for me to come online. I don't want to come here and be sleepy on you. So I just decided to change it even before I announced it, but I'm so sorry about that. Very, very sorry. Hey, yeah, Amechi, I miss you. Calesta, no, I miss you. Let me go to Facebook real fast and start begging. I hope everybody will forgive me. Forgive my shortcomings. I'm so sorry. And start begging. Sorry. Hey, I missed all my students. When I missed everybody. All my students. I missed everyone. Yeah, please, I want to make sure that hey, Alamide, hope only. My dear, I missed all my students. Let me give you all a big hug. I miss you all. I really missed everyone. Good evening, ma. Mr. Solomon. How is your family? I miss you. I miss you. I lost my phone. That was thank you, Amechi. Amechi, thank you. I know you'll be the first to to forgive me and accept my apology. Thank God I'm married to Amechi in my life. Oh. All of you are the same. He will say, Agbara gonge, mana emekweni ya ọzọ. Agbara gonge, mana emekweni ya ọzọ, but who will tell me if I will mena ya ọzọ? Onye ga-agwa ma ga-eme ya ọzọ. Oh my God, I miss you all. Thank you so much for always standing by me. Hey, Amos, wherever you are, please come and get your Ikenga today. I am very sorry, very, very, very sorry for not giving you that Ikenga since the past 2 weeks. Yeah, okay, he's texting me. Let me tell him that Ikenga is here. Oh. I'm so sorry. Igbo ka m kwesịrị ị na-asụ ọ bụ udo oyibo na ihe a bụ akwụkwọ Igbo ọ bụghị akwụkwọ oyibo. I think by the year 2025, every non-speaking Igbo will start speaking Igbo because of this class. So ụtụtụ ọma, ehihie ọma, anyasị ọma, and ụmụnne m na ụmụnna m na ndị enyi m na ndị ikwu na ibe m na-ele m na-ege m ntị n'oge awa ọkwa Oriakụ Christiana Passion ka unu na-anụ olu ya oge awa. Nna ayọkwa unu sunu biko unu ewe n'iwu na egbu na nwanne unu egbu na ihe mgbanwe anyị gbanwesịrị oge eji agụ akwụkwọ nke anyị na-agụpụ n'elekere anyị nọ nke mgbede Naijiria, mana anwụ ihe megasịrị anyị ji wee megi wee bufee ya ka ọ bụrụzie elekere anyị 6. Unu ewe n'iwe na ebu m ụzọ yọọ unu biko akọwata m bifo m na-emege bifo anyị a na-agbanwe ya biko gbaghara m anwego ndị gbaghara m sọsọ ofu onye bụ onye gbaghara m, mana ama m na ndị na-agbaghara m gwa m na ha gbagharago m na ha gbagharago m n'ime obi ndewonu. So Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is Christiana Passion, your baby girl, your sister, your friend. You are hearing her voice from this time around. I am so sorry. Please accept my apology that we missed class for some time, and now we moved it from 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. is for a reason. You know, ndị Igbo say that na awọ anaghị agba n'ehihie na nkịtị. It doesn't have English explanation. So I'm so sorry because I know I was supposed to, inform everyone before the time will be changed. But it was so sudden. Yeah, it's so sudden. Yeah, I'm sorry. It was so sudden that I have to, make that quick change. So we'll keep bringing this live class to every one of us. Olamide, I miss you. Hopefully, you are welcome. Amechipo, my darling, thank you. Kalesta Noah, I know that my beloved Amos is. I want Ikenga. Oh, are you on live? Yes. Yes. A lot of people, when I went on Facebook, when the class was cancelled, even I got calls. The most, my doctor called me and said, "Oh, Chris, I was just checking on you. You canceled the class." I said, "Hey, oh my God." I disappointed a lot of people, but I am very sorry. I hope I am forgiven. Queen, you are welcome. Goof, evil, my darling sister. You miss me. I miss you so much. I miss you all from the bottom of my heart. I thought about, instead of having the Igbo class 4 p.m. and having my regular program 6 p.m. on Sunday and Saturday, I just decided to merge everything to be 6 p.m. So we don't have to keep thinking, is it 4 today? Is it 3 today? Because that was exactly what happened. The teacher was here earlier. He's coming back. He's trying to get a brighter position and everything. Thank God. Yes. Oh, I love you all. How are you? Kekunu mere keke si anyanwụ. Ama m na eke na anyakwa na atụgharị since amununu na afụbeghị. I hope and I know that you and your beautiful families are doing very great and wonderful. Onye nkụzi, anyị ga-agbalị tinyekwuo ọkụ n'ebe ahụ nọ ka a na-afụ ihe ị na-ede, maka ịma na ọ bụzi uhuruchi ka anyị jizi amụ akwụkwọ kịta. So ama m na anyị nọ na Naịjirịa, anyị bụ ndị na-alaiki iyi ụzọ kọlọ mmemme ma ọ kọlọ bulu ma ọ kọlọ anyị na-amụ akwụkwọ, anyị nidiri ị na-eyi ụzọ kọlọ ka ihe a na-akpọ white n'Igbo, fụfụ, ndị Yoruba na-akpọ ya fụfụ. Ihe a na-akpọ ya n'Igbo
ọcha ka na-akpọ ya ihe dị ọcha.
Yes, anyị nidiri ebe dị ọcha maka ndị na-ele anyị, ha nwere anya ọcha. Oh my God, I'm speaking Igbo. So you're all welcome. Yes, please make it clearer. Yes, I mentioned what I was because make it clearer. Na ha nidiri enough we had a dofuma. Oh, like cool. Good evening, ma, and everyone online. I miss you all. Please, before we continue, because Ikenga is big. Ikenga, even looking at Ikenga's picture, you know that Ikenga is very big. So before, I don't want to interrupt the class. So please, I welcome each and every one of you for tomorrow's recharge card giveaway. Even if you are not in Nigeria, just tell your friends, tell your family members. You know how we do it now. Tell people around that Christiana Passion is giving away the recharge card she always does every year. And tomorrow we are asking a question. If you have not seen it, please, I want you to go and think about it, because I really want us to think about that question before tomorrow, so we'll get a very good and palatable answers. If I see some things, I go ask them, because before someone will ask such a question, may go somewhere. It has happened somewhere. That is why someone could ask such question. And the question we'll be asking and answering tomorrow is, Can an adopted son marry the biological daughter of the family he was adopted into? No answer right now. The answer will be made available tomorrow. Just go and think about it. Go and discuss about it. Let's come back tomorrow, 6 p.m. Nigerian time. Let's talk about it. I really want to know, for someone to ask this question on Facebook, that means it has happened somewhere. And we go ebo mere. It has happened somewhere, or it's about happening. And maybe this is someone's thought. Can a son, an adopted son, turn around and marry the daughter to the family that he is adopted to? That is a deep question. We need to talk about it tomorrow, because I don't know anything. We are here to learn. Yes, so tomorrow I will know what people thought, and let's answer that question. I really want us to talk about that question and answer it. So today we are talking about Ikenga, the symbol of strength in Igbo land. Ikenga. I don't want to spoil it, but with my description, I talked a little about Ikenga, how Ikenga is the strength of every man. Every man in Igbo land, Ikenga is their strength. How? I don't know. And through my research, I also found that a woman can actually carry Ikenga, have Ikenga, unlike the Ofo. So today, the teacher will be doing justice to this class, and I'm waiting for him to come on. He wants to make the place he is a little bit bright, and he will come back on. Then we talk about it. Please, how are you? I have been the only one talking. How are you all? How are you? Kekunu mere. It's either you write it in Igbo or you answer me in English. Omataro. Omataro. So, how are you? Kekunu mere. Oh, my Ikenga is here. Yes, your Amos, your Ikenga is finally here. Your Ikenga is finally here. So you are all welcome. Let's talk about Ikenga. Ikenga, this symbol of strength of every Igbo man. Of every Igbo man. Yes, is brighter. But next week, we have to make it brightest. So, without wasting much of our time, I ask a simple question. Kedu ka unu mere? How are you? I want the answer in Igbo. Even I said it doesn't matter.
Nne m ukwu, ihe mere ya ahụ bụ nwa gị nwoke.
Oh, I'm good. Thank God for everything, for keeping us alive today. Amechi, sụọ ya n'Igbo. Katakata ga-adị ebe a taa. Yeah. Onye nkuzi, we didn't hear what you said. Gịnị ka ị kwuru? Oh, network should just respect itself immediately. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do, eh? Are you hearing me, Mr.
Yeah.
Solo? Okay. Maka, that place is the
Yeah, hearing you.
You are hearing me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Okay, but if the worst
Yeah.
come to worst, you will just do, I'll call you on the
I'm
phone,
hearing
you
you.
do the introduction, and next week we get a proper lightning, and because you'll be
I can hear
writing.
you.
Okay, you can hear me. Let's forfeit the writing today because of the brightness of where you are. Just do the introduction today of Ikenga. Then next week, you can dissect Ikenga. How about that?
Okay. Yeah. Okay. 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 Better. Okay. Better. No problem. Um, the reason is uh, uh, um,
And I have been talking since. Oh my God. I said, hope only kedu ebe no. And you never know. We didn't move, we didn't move our niche. We are just exactly where we are. So, due to the brightness of where the teacher is, no sound. Yes, now you can hear me. I forgot that I muted myself. Yeah, so I told the teacher if he can just do the introduction. Thank you, Amos. If you could just do the introduction today, then next week we get a proper lightning at where he is, and so we can have fun with the class. I can just leave him there, but he will be talking on the phone. Yeah, we'll be seeing him, but he will be speaking from the phone. Good idea, yeah. I hope that is a good idea. So he can do the introduction, and and we take it from there. The network cannot even stop Ikenga today. Lie, lie. Not even a network that can stop Ikenga. Before Amos will cry on my head. I really want to be bringing this class live. I don't want us to be making video. You know, when we are having a live class, it's very, very interacting. Very, very. Please give me a second, okay? Oh, okay. Yes, ma. It is a good idea. Thank you so much. You know, I'm always coming up with ideas, not even though it's not good sometimes. Yeah, so he can do the introduction. I'm calling him right away. Ujimba, right? Oh, okay. This is the right number. 1, 2. All right. I hope he picks up now.
Call does not exist. Please check the number.
Nigeria will tell you that your number doesn't exist. When you call it again, it will now exist. 3527. Please give me a second, okay? You know, I just came up with that idea right now. I think he really wants to come up.
Do you look at that?
Hello, Mr. Solomon. Mr. Solomon. Hello? Mr. Solomon, I was calling you. Your number is switched off.
Hello.
Mr. Solomon, can you flash me with your number so I can call the number back? Please, we are wasting time. Oh, no time to waste. Oh, okay. Maybe it is raining in Nigeria. Amos, you know that country well. Amos, you know that country well. He said, maybe, Suwara anyị Igbo, Obeke kam na subu. Hello? Hey, are you ready for us? Are you ready? Ngwa ma mmeti gị na spika kịta na ụmụ akwụkwọ na-echezi onye ọra na-abazi m sụwa ya n'Igbo ka ya sụọ bekee ka m na-asụbu. Ngwa mmeti gị na spika kịta Okay. Yes, finally he's here. Everyone can hear you now.
Okay. Actually, but by next week Saturday, they are going to see my face because I need to write some notes on the phone so that they will be able to copy. Can I copy?
Ọkọpịa ka a na-akpọ ya n'Igbo. Ọkọpịa ka a na-akpọ ya n'Igbo. Okay. I know. Yeah. So, take over the class.
they cannot hear me clearly.
Yeah, they can't hear you clearly. Not that they can't, no, they can't understand.
Okay, let them pay attention. Let them pay.
Please start all over. Please start all over. Yes. Can you hear him right now?
Let me start over. I hope they can hear me now.
Yeah, heard but not clearly. They can hear but not clearly. Oh.
Can you hear me now?
Okay, let me cut and call you back. I want to cut it and call you back. Oh, they can hear now. Okay.
All right. Hello.
Yes. Okay.
Is it clear now?
It's clearer. Yes.
Very good. Okay, let's go ahead because of our time.
Yes.
So that I will release some of us that are engaged today. What I was saying, what is Ikenga? Like I was saying, in Igbo land, some people will give birth to a child and they'll call that child Ikenga. They will answer that name as a titled name. Like I said before, Ojuku was the Ikenga for Newe. That name is a title. And the people know this name, but they don't actually understand what this name is all about. What is Ikenga? Ikenga is not just a name. It is something. It is a symbol. Yeah, it is a symbol. And today we're going to tell you what Ikenga is, and the people of Ikenga, and the importance of Ikenga. You know, what it signifies, what it stands for. Yeah, that is exactly what we're going to teach you. And this Ikenga is Igbo tradition per se. Yeah, it is our tradition. And we believe in Ikenga. Now, what is Ikenga in Igbo tradition? What is Ikenga in Igbo tradition? Ikenga is a male altar. You can call it an altar. Yeah, or we call it a shrine. Dedicated to a person's right arm or hand. There is this belief in Igbo land that the strength of a man comes from the right arm or hand. So this Ikenga is a deity that is dedicated to the man's right hand or arm. And the question may be asked, is it only male or men that have Ikenga? No. A woman can have an Ikenga. Remember the last time we asked, can a woman have an Ikenga? So maybe once we come to that, we'll look into that. Yeah, a woman can have an Ikenga. But it's not just a woman, but not every woman in the society. Example, a queen may decide to have an Ikenga, and the Ikenga will be couched for her. The priestess may decide to have an Ikenga, and the Ikenga may be couched for her. It is based on someone's interest and decision. So Ikenga is a shrine dedicated to the person's right arm or hand, because it is believed in Igbo land, in Igbo tradition, that a man sees wealth or acquires wealth through the right hand, that the wealth of the man comes directly from his right hand, not the left hand. That is why in Igbo land, it is believed that the right arm or hand is stronger than the left hand, is better than the left hand. Yeah, that is the belief of Igbo. So married men throughout most of Igbo land establish their own Ikenga. Yeah, that is one thing about Igbo in those days. It is that now that the church has come and they have messed everything up. Sometimes when you see that kind of thing in someone's house, and the person has gotten an arrow. No, it is not an arrow, but it is a symbol. Normally ordered from a professional cover, and it is always consecrated with the blood of a fowl. You must concentrate it with the blood of a fowl. That is Ikenga for you. And you may call it the strength of movement. Yeah, some people call it that Alusi Wensi. Yeah, but the horned Alusi or shrine, found among the Igbo in southeastern part of Nigeria. That is the Ikenga we are talking about. Like my student who asked Amechi, who asked about Ikenga, that he loves that name. Now you should know that Ikenga is a shrine that is dedicated to someone's right hand or arm. And most of our brethren in the Surah, they always have this, at home. And the Ikenga is grounded in the belief that the power for a man to accomplish things is in the right hand, like I said. It is in the right hand. It is believed. That is the belief of all the Igbo in Igbo land. And it also governs over that man's industry, farming, and even blacksmithing in those days. And it is even celebrated every year with an annual Ikenga festival, because there is a festival for the Ikenga, with commemorations of Ikenga in Igbo land in those days. I wish we are saying what we are talking about. I would have given you a short note where you will find out some things, but nevertheless, next week, Saturday, by this time, we shall write a note. At least it will keep you abreast of what we're talking about, so that anytime you see a detail of a student, you can, yeah.
Yes. Excuse me, teacher.
Yeah.
Yes, I love that part that you said next week, we're going to write a note. I was thinking, can we get the physical Ikenga also next week? Now that you have laid the introduction of Ikenga, now we know that Ikenga has something to do with right arm and blood. Oh, I think this class will be very interesting. You know how we see you, you see us. That's why I requested if you can only lay the foundation now. So next week, can we please get a physical Ikenga, regardless ego doga course? Can we get a physical Ikenga? Because I myself, I really want to see Ikenga, because I am so happy that I can have Ikenga. And now, am I not a queen? Oh, so if you support me, please indicate that you support me, that we should have a physical Ikenga. I know that Amos, don't worry about it, because I know you will support me. Please, if you want us to, you are the mentor, I know you will support the opinion. If you want us to have a physical Ikenga, and teacher, yes, I am looking at it that if we could see the physical Ikenga, we know what we're talking about. They will now decide if we really want to have it. But me, by the name alone, I want to have Ikenga. I don't know about another person. What do you think?
Okay, it's possible. It's possible. Next week, we are going to see the Ikenga live, how it looks like. I'll go to normal place I normally go, and I'll get it.
Yes. So, with saying that, let's not waste this class. I just want us to talk a little bit, lay the foundation of Ikenga. Because the class will be very interacting. If everybody is seeing you, you are seeing everyone, or you are hearing from everyone, reading from everyone. You understand? Like now, I know many people just kind of feel sleepy, and I don't want this class to be like that. Now you have laid the foundation of what Ikenga is all about. But please, can we take it from where you get to now next week with the physical Ikenga?
Okay, I know it's good good when you're teaching, you have we call it instructional material.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, we are going to get that Ikenga, the Alusi itself. I'm going to get it here.
And please go to offer. You go to Arus. You go to Ikenga. You go to offer. Like I get more for again. No, I'm serious. I'm serious. You go to Ikenga. You go to offer.
Yeah, you will see that I'll get the Kenga and also I'll make sure you see offer and you see how offer looks like.
Yes. Did you have one? Did you have offer?
We have offer in my family.
So gini ka na-ekuzi. I know that Amos cannot have offer, but he can have Ikenga. So please, I can't wait. I can't wait to see them. Please, if you agree with me, just indicate you agree with me, because I really love when we are seeing the teacher. It makes me so happy. And again, when we see this thing called Ikenga and offer, because ọbụ na ikwenye n'ihe m kwuru sị mụ na ikwenye n'ihe m kwuru na ka ọ hapụ dị ka ọsọ mụ na atụpụta okwu na-ekwukwe. Please, if you agree to what I said, Amos, you need to be speaking Igbo. I have speaking Igbo long enough. That you're supposed to be speaking it now. Yes, please. Now that the teacher laid the foundation of what Ikenga is all about, do you support that next week, Saturday, he should come with the real Ikenga, so we see what Ikenga is all about? And we'll be treating Ofo too. We'll see what Ofo is all about. Please, if you agree with me, just say yes. Yes, I want to see it. I have not seen it before. Oh, I bet you say he hasn't seen any of them before. Even me, I've not seen it before.
Okay. All right. That's the promise. Because it's good when you're teaching, you let your students to see what you are teaching them, to believe that that thing exists.
Yes.
Or exists, the thing exists. They're going to see those things.
Yes. Yes, and that is one. Another request. You remember we're supposed to do something on belief worship and like traditional worship and everything. But
Exactly. That should be tomorrow.
no, it will not be tomorrow. Tomorrow is my giveaway. I don't mix my giveaway with anything. So I'm looking at if we can make it the upper Sunday. And for that belief and worship, you will literally show us how to worship with Nzu. You know, we talked about Nzu and all those kind of things.
Oh, some of us have not seen the Nzu. I'll get the Nzu.
Yeah, Mr. Solomon, you are really a traditional man. Paul, I bet you Paul said you are really a traditional man. And the alligator pepper that you talked about, how to open it and everything. You know, these things, I want us to be seeing what we are showing, because our children will watch all this video in future. Our grandchildren will watch it. Yeah, so when they are watching them, oh, is that how they do it? What is it doing? You know, by then maybe you'll be 100 years. Yes.
So that Sunday, by God's grace, we are going to get the Usu, and get the Odo, and we'll get the alligator pepper, and also the orgy.
Wow.
We'll teach you how to use each one and each one. In case if you come down home, who knows, maybe tomorrow somebody among them there may be a king. Because of them limits.
Yes.
Yeah. It is our tradition. The church did not stop us from doing this one in particular.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's our tradition.
Yes. Talking.
And, as a traditional conservator, I always preach to conserve all these things for prosperity's sake.
Yes. Yes, I agree with you. Talking about being a king, I have a friend here with me. They are Cameroonians. The husband was just informed that he is going to be the next king of their land. Very young boy, handsome. He's here doing his own thing. His people called him. You see, you never can tell. You know, most people may not know that royalty runs in their families, or sometimes they know that royalty runs in their family, but they don't know that they could be, or it will be them. The guy is just doing his own thing. The wife told me, the wife is my very good friend. We are family members. He just told me that, my husband will soon be king. Go. They are getting ready for it because the king of their land is critically sick right now. And they just call him to tell him, you know how they will send errand to the person wherever you are, that our king live to forever, you will be the next king. She just told me that they will soon be the king and the queen of the land. So we need to know all these things. Who knows if Amechi will be the king of his land tomorrow? Who knows if it is Amos? Who knows if I will even be the queen? No, I can't wait. When I've been working there, like, queen live forever. Oh my God. When I hear queen, so it will be like when they say queen, may you live forever. I'll say, oh my God. No, I would not want to say. Yeah, all these things are very important. Thank you, Mr. Solomon. God bless you, sir. That is from Amos. He said, God bless you, sir. Please, I want to know all this because I had this dream that I was, I don't know if I was a queen or something, but I was kind of celebrated. So who knew if I would turn out to be a queen? I don't want to do it American style. Maybe they say, hey, my queen, may you live forever. I'm like, oh my God, no. I want to know what to respond. Yes, I want to know how to carry myself. I want to know what to say. I want to know, especially this Ikenga. I'll be taking it anywhere with my right hand. I promise you.
All right. Yeah, that's a very good one. And the reason why we are teaching all this is to let the world to know that the Igbo tradition is not there, it's still alive.
Yes.
And that is one of the things I'm championing. Being a Christian, like I said, I'm a traditional conservator. I conserve all these things for postarity's sake, because I believe that one's tradition is one's identity. So I wouldn't want that tradition to die.
Yeah.
We would like to keep it on.
Yeah.
And like I said again, next week is gonna be all things that once you see the Ikenga, you see the folk, you see the Insu, if you see the Maya, all those things, you see that all these things are real. Those things you watch in Nigerian movie, they are all real.
Yes.
That is part of us.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you teach us how to go for how to, we need to learn all these things. Forget about those ones they do on the movie.
When we're talking about Igbo, it's like a kind of we are praying.
Yes, that will be among the next the Sunday believe and worship, and it will be in it.
Exactly.
Yes.
That is why I'm a teacher. All right.
Thank you so very much. Thank you. At least I am so happy that this foundation is laid today, because this Ikenga gave me sleepless days. I really want to know about Ikenga. I really want to see Ikenga. When I saw the picture, I said, wow. And I listened to what a lot of experts, even white folks, talked about it. I said, wow, Ikenga, you must be very powerful. Maybe I'll bring one and keep in the house too. So I now have one. Amos, we have an opportunity now. We can own whatever we want. Forget about or forgive them or for let's take our Ikenga, okay? Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
All right. That's a good one.
Yes.
All right, my students, thank you so much, at least for listening to the introduction to this very topic today. This is just the tip of an iceberg of what we're going to do next week Saturday, by God's grace.
Yeah.
So stay tuned and always visit us at Nime with Christian Okeke by 6 p.m. Nigerian time this time around. It is now 6 p.m. It's no longer 4 p.m. because of how things are. Please invite more people. Let them come and see what is going on. And everything is real. Invite both Mandiocha and Abino. I call them Abino. Ndiocha. Let them come and they see how we do our things. I believe they will like it. I want them, they would like to bring people down here to see how we do our things here.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. And thank you, Mr. Kanga. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you so much. As while you were speaking, that is how the Bible speaks. While speaking, I was also thinking that maybe sometimes we'll be giving news in Igbo on this platform too. Hey, what do you think?
It's good.
Yeah.
It's good. Yeah. It's good.
I love that. Hold on. Please teach me before you what is Ikenga in Things Fall Apart. Amechi Paul, everything. Ogadi uboso izuka na abia mmejide ajụjụ gị aka nde ya so etigomi na screen biko echefukwana na Amechi Paul si please na gị gwa ya gịnị bụ Ikenga na Things Fall Apart. So ajụjụ aka ị ga-eji malite.
Let me just give him a little introduction to this.
Okay.
Things Fall Apart written by Chinua in 1958. That Things Fall Apart, the Ikenga did. Chinua tried to portray the Igbo tradition.
Okay.
That every Igbo man has Ikenga, and that Ikenga as a symbol of strength, and also as a shrine represents the strength of the right hand or arm of a man.
Okay.
He was writing it to Okonkwo, the protagonist of that that is the chief character there.
Yes.
Of that very Things Fall Apart. No, next week, Saturday, we'll go in with we'll also bring it from Chinua Achebe's view,
okay,
and also from the original traditional view, far from the Chinua Achebe's view. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. But before you go, I want to ask you a quick question. Bringing Things Fall Apart into from Amechi's question. You're talking about Ikenga, talking about Okonkwo, that is Pet Edochie, who was the main character on Things Fall Apart. I don't want you might decide not to answer. Maybe if you want to take it till next week, but I want to ask this question now. Do you think that Things Fall Apart, the character that Pet Edochie acted, which was the Okonkwo in Things Fall Apart, do you think that particular character he acted affected his life till date today? Do you think so?
Yes, one thing about the character Pete Odeche played as Okonkwo in Things Fall Apart.
Yes.
He understood the role he was about to play. And being a traditional man.
Yes, that's what I'm talking about till date. He's a traditional man. He's well respected, like he carries the Ikenga, even when we don't see him carry the Ikenga with him. But you could see that even in the movie industry, in the world as a whole, he is respected. He's like seen as the greatest among all.
Because he understood Igbo tradition.
Okay.
And the tradition is part and parcel of it. He's from Anambra State. Anambra, they are the conservators of Igbo tradition.
Mm-hmm.
They understand what tradition is all about.
Okay.
And he played that very role to represent the original Igbo man who respects Igbo tradition.
Yes.
And that thing gave him a name in the whole world. Nobody, you not mention Things Fall Apart without mentioning
Okonkwo, Pet Edochie, yes.
Yeah.
Please, Onyankuzi, please. I know it is late for me, kind of already, because had it been I start carrying my Ikenga since, they would have known me everywhere. But no, don't laugh. I'm serious. I'm serious. I'm serious. I want to be the greatest too. So please, maybe you will look for a one, get me Ikenga. I really need one.
That means you come down to your hometown and you will do it in the traditional way.
Okay.
And then the authority.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you, because Amos and I, we really need this. I don't know about Mechi, but me and then Amos. We really need it. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you. We can't wait to see you next week, Saturday and Sunday. So we'll be having real dates with you next week. So we'll let you go right now. Thank you for always being the best. You know, I didn't want the network to stop today's class at least. Today we at least heard your voice instead of nothing. Cha, 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 cha. We love you so much and see you next week. All right. Okay. Bye for now. Yes, my people, it's better than nothing. Yes, next week, God's willing, we will have him for 2 days. I really want us to bring all these things to light, not just standing and teaching it. I really want us to see them, not making movie, like seeing the real thing. I know that the ones they do on the movie, they kind of, it's just a script. Someone is just acting a script. But this is the person who goes to where, or you remember he told us that he goes to the native doctor. He asks questions. He asks, what is this? What is that? This one that is laughing, what is this? This one that is crying, what is this? So we want to know all these things. We don't want our tradition to die. Our tradition can never die. Never. I want to bring all these things to light. Not that we are worshiping, I know some people say, they're worshiping. No, it's a tradition. You don't want your tradition to die. It's very hard for we to tell our kids today what our parents told us, because we don't even know. Talk more of telling. I wish my parents are alive. They would tell me more. Even my daddy will tell me maybe how he carried the king or carried the four or carried. But all these things, we have missed it. Christianity is good. Religion is good. Muslim is good. Islam is good, not Muslim. Islam is good. But let's know our tradition. There is sometimes, like I told him about my friend, they are just here doing their thing, jeje, and now they call up the husband that he will be the next king of the land. There is a pastor, a redeemed pastor here in America, not even in Nigeria, holding one of the biggest congregation here in America. As I speak to you now, he's back home in Nigeria as a king. They called him and told him, you will, as a pastor. So if a pastor can be the king of the land, you don't know who you are until when the time comes. And I don't want when the time comes, you'll be looking for the teacher to ask, oh, what should I do? No, you will know what to do ahead of time, coupled with the one that the king's men will do what will still in you. So till I see you tomorrow on my giveaway Sunday, I still remain your sister, your baby girl, your friend. Call me whatever you call me, and that is what I'll be to you. I love you all. I love you yesterday. I love you today. And I will always love you. I will always love You